30. Ay. 30. Mali. Okay, practice na yan. Pabilisan tayo ha. 20. Gis. 50. Gis. 20. 50. 40. Nadali ka, 40. Pero before that, let's explain the game to our cousins. Cousin, now humble, you know how to count in Spanish, right? What, you know what a G is? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, and G's, and then 20, and 20, 50. Oh, for the added twist, actually guys, for your information, our cousin knows how to know some Spanish, right? You know how to speak in Spanish. So, yung uno, G's 20, Spanish yan sila. So, mapapahinga muna kami ni partner dito. Our cousin will count in this day. Will be the one to count, yes. We will the one say the number. You say either G, 20, 20, 40, 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Alright, don't forget. I'm going to hold this mic. Yeah. But word is yours, man. You're the one saying it, okay? You're the one saying it. You're going to say G, 20,